technically with a sofa bed, you would be living even better as far as saving some money. But we are splurging a little bit because it's just Hawaii, you know? Okay, so we got our little outside area. Come on in. All right. We have a little bit of a messy space, but we got a TV here. We're not using that, too much stuff to do in Hawaii. We've got our pull-out sofa bed. How cool, we are not sleeping on that. But if we had 2 other people, they could. And here is our kitchen, where we are currently making a frozen DiGiorno pizza. You can find that right here. And right down here, are there lights in here? This is the front entrance. It's kind of just like a condo building. We're room 115. Actually, we ordered this. We got this on Vrbo, Vrbo, however you call it. This is probably the owners, all the stuff that they lock in here, can't get in here. This is the bathroom. It's just fine. This side is better than the shower, but it's cool. And I'm a germaphobe. I like things really clean and perfect, and it works for me, so that says a lot. And this is the unmade, oh, there's no light going on here? All right, well, not a made bed. This actually in the pictures looked more like a grandma's room, and we were still cool with it. And it turns out to be just a little bit better. And the bed was really comfy. Again, I'm a germaphobe, and I was okay with this. The only downside to this Airbnb, Vrbo, whatever you want to call it, is that there's no AC. And I'm someone who really, really, really needs AC. And with the ceiling fan and with just the plug-in fan, I was good last night. Actually, surprisingly, we had a little, I was going to say cross breeze, but we didn't have this open. So I don't know. I was pretty good. But anyway, that is our Maui home tour for 2 nights. Oh, and this is also probably, I don't know, 15 minutes would you say, Gina? Like outside of Lahaina, location-wise?
Yeah.
This is about 15 minutes
Maybe
outside
less.
of Lahaina, which is kind of like the northwest side of Maui, 5 minutes south of Kapahula Bay. But everything seems pretty drivable anyway. I recommend this one. I will link it below.